so much pressure in our society to have a good time on your birthday. You know, it's like, I can't believe I'm going to work on my birthday. I can't believe I'm doing laundry on my birthday. I can't believe I'm paying for sex on my birthday.
YouTube, yeah, this is a birthday video for me. And we're going to celebrate by unboxing. So yeah, we got a special unboxing from Fancy Lad Skateboards. Sweet. Yeah, it's a board, and yeah, let's see what's in there. Sweet. It's a tough box. Fancy Lad sure do got the toughest boxes. This calls for a better knife. Alright, make sure you move your sharp objects out of the way to dump the contents of the box. Alright, so let's look at the goodies. Let's go with the obvious thing. This is a big board. Not big, puff. Yeah, it's the cat. And yeah, it's Big's cat. I love his part in New Hell, the second Fancy Lad video. As you can see, we got a couple of typos. But it's okay, that's what makes Fancy Lad, you know? Scat. Cat. And then top graphic 8.3, made in USA. That's the board. Up next, we got the beanie. I believe Matt King, aka Squirted, did the design. I put it on, but I don't feel like showing my face right now. Moving on, we got some sick ass stickers. I got a Polar right now, unfortunately. So I'm gonna slap a couple of those on, you know. Gotta represent. We got some grip tape. Can I rip a whole board with this? Yes. We got orange. We got blue. We got black. Orange is the new grip. Then it comes with a video. We got Steelin' Harvard with Jason Lee. He has a really good part in this. I think he pulls out a 360 flip down to 5 set. Yeah, you know how good you are. You know. Let's look at this real quick. Tom Green has a special part in this too. And I think Megan Mullen. Yeah, she's pretty good. She gets rid of tech. Yeah, I remember watching this video as a kid. It's probably top 10 skate videos with skateboarding in it. Special features. They got deleted scenes. They're funny. They're really good. Filmographies. We got tractor trailers, digital masters, widescreen. It's a really fun packed video with lots of fun. And you know, he's blowing it because he's not wearing a Fancy Lad. Look at the disc. It has a cute old dog on it. And yeah, that's my birthday video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.